In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history in the Google Gemini Windows app. If you've ever wanted to clear out a past conversation or tidy up your workspace, this walkthrough is for you. We'll create a quick example chat so you can see exactly how it appears in history, then remove it cleanly. Follow along and you'll be done in just a minute. Start by opening the Google app on your Windows desktop. Press Alt and Space on your keyboard. On most Windows setups, that shortcut opens the app and brings up the AI prompt box right away. You should see the input field where you can talk to the assistant. Next, type a simple prompt so there's something to delete in a moment. It doesn't have to be complicated. Something like Google Gemini update works perfectly. The goal here is just to create a conversation entry that will show up in the app's AI mode history. Send your prompt by pressing Enter. You'll see the assistant respond, and that exchange is now recorded in your recent chats. This step is important because the delete option appears per conversation, and you need at least one chat to proceed. Now, look toward the top section of the app for AI mode history. Click it to open your list of recent conversations. This panel is where all your latest prompts and replies are organized, making it easy to jump back in, or in this case, remove something you no longer need. Find the conversation you just created. On that conversation entry, click the three-dot menu, the small icon with 3 dots that indicates more options. This menu is where you'll find actions specific to that chat. Choose Delete from the menu. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do, the conversation disappears from your AI mode history. Keep in mind that deleting a chat is typically permanent in the app's history view, so double-check you're removing the right one before you proceed. That's it. You opened the app with Alt and Space, created a quick test prompt, sent it, opened AI mode history at the top, clicked the 3-dot menu on the conversation, and selected Delete. If you have multiple chats to remove, just repeat the same menu and delete action for each one. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step as you clean up your history.